Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to promote Temu on Pinterest. So at first what you need to do is head over to Temu affiliate program, and from there if you want to promote your entire page, you'll see that your affiliate link will be right over here where you can copy, or you need to head over to a certain product and then you want to click on item link and then copy that link. From there what you need to do is head over to Pinterest, and then we want to, let's say, create a pin. So we'll create over here and then choose a file, and let's say that your product is related to fruit. Again, I'm just doing this just for an example, and over here you can say let's say fruit cutter, best fruit cutter for cheap, and you can get a description easily through like ChatGPT or something like that. And right over here in add a link, you want to put in your Temu link, so that once you publish it, people can view it from there and directly click on your Temu link. And there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.